This model kit review is of the P-51D from the Top Gun movie. This is Maverick's P-51D, and you'll see it in the movie. This is a model by Airfix, and it is 1/72nd scale. And this is all the box art. Here we go. Here's the dimensions, and that's the color scheme. This is about all that I see on the outside. And let's look inside and see what we have. So let's have a look at these sprues. Okay, first of all, here is our glass, got our windshield, and then two different bubble tops here, and then also our sight there. They do look slightly different, the bubble tops. This one's flatter at the back. Let's have a look at our wings here. And these are nicely molded. We've got some recessed rivet and panel lines here. Here's the top of the wings, our wheel wells. We've got some detail here for our wheel wells, so that's nice. There's our little Maverick. And here are our exhausts. Our wheel well covers there. That's our instrument panel. More wheel well covers there. That's the base of our spinner. And we've got our flaps here. That's for the back of the cockpit, or the canopy at least. And there's our rudder. And these are all molded as one solid piece. Nice firm plastic. We do have some nice detail here for the inside of our cockpits. On both sides. That's always nice to see. You want to see detail. And there's our fuselage. Again, very nicely molded, recessed rivet and panel lines with lots of surface detail. Here are some flaps again. These are molded to be in the down position. There are our wheels, our propeller, radiator. We've got some fuel tanks. There's the front of the spinner, and pitot tube. There's our tail wheel. Do you see some flashing here? It's the air intake. And control column. There's our main landing gear, and here's the cockpit with our radio area behind, and that's our tail wheel area. Let's have a look at our instructions and decals. So this is these are the D-Day version. You can see with the black and white stripes, but not really any other details here. Kind of missing some of the extra decals. We've got one there, and there's our instrument panel. Here are the instructions. There it kind of shows you some of the decals going on. So we build our cockpit first, and it's our I think it's for the back part of the radiator. Then our propeller and spinner, and we put that inside of our fuselage. We put our wings together. Don't forget to drill out the holes for the fuel tanks. Our air intake. Then the wing is mounted to the fuselage. Our tail and stabilizer, rudder mounted together, and then your flaps, and then the outlet for our intake and outlet for our radiator. Wheel wells, so that's if you're going to have them up or down. That's down for landing gear down. That's if the landing gear is up. Landing gear. And fuel tanks. Canopy open or close, so we've got some nice options there. I suppose if you're going to put the pilot in there. And then don't forget your windshield and exhausts. On the back here, so here we have our decal and paint guide. And it's fairly simple looking. I might need to print out some of my own decals. Here are the colors needed, but that's a very nice little model.